Hello, good morning, guys. Today we are going to be looking at something really different, and I trust you guys had a nice day. So, on our last lesson, we talked about tables. Yes, we talked about tables. Yes. So the structure of our tables, and every other thing you can find in a table, were basically what we talked about in our last class, if you agree. So, yeah. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the Visual Studio Code VS Codes. Yes, because how can I start teaching HTML without teaching how to use the code, like use the editor. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the editor. As for me, I have a lot of files placed in my editor already. So I'll just start from the basics. So the basics, first of all, you right click on your Windows, your desktop. So refresh, you right click and then you tap on new. So on the new, you click the folder. So you see something popping up like this, which says new folder. So you can just say and call the folder your HTML folder. So sir, and then it's becomes a folder. So this is the folder you'll be working with. So you launch back your VS Codes, and inside your VS Codes here you come to files, or if at all, let me create a new window. So like now it's just like new a fresh new VS Codes. So what we are going to be doing now, you click from, like, once you open your VS Code, this is what you're going to see. That is, if you're new in Visual Studio Code, this is exactly what you're going to see. So this starts and new file, then open file, and then open folder. Remember what you created here was a folder. Yeah, it was a folder. If you look here, you see it's a folder. What we created here was a folder. So that it's a folder we're supposed to open. So you click on open folder. So once you click on that, you are really slow. So you're going to see something like this. And where do you create the folder? You created it in your desktop. So you come to your desktop and immediately you see something like this, HTML. So double click or you select the folder. So you select the folder. Once you select the folder, you see something like this. So you see, do you trust the authors of the file in this folder? What you just need to just click here is yes to enable all the features. So here you'll be having the folder right here. You see the HTML. This is the folder here. So what you are supposed to do now is to create a new file by clicking this file button. Don't click this one. This is for creating a new folder. You click this one for creating a new file. So once you click it, now you can name your HTML file. So you can stick with index. This is one of the most basic. .html, and then once you finish writing the HTML, you will see the see this logo here, the markup language logo. So yeah, it has been created. So you have your HTML file. Yeah, basically that's how to create a HTML file. So so I'm going to be taking you guys on this backspace I1. So if you are looking at this now, you see that I just the click of a button, I was able to prompt everything here within just a sec. Unlike writing everything manually by saying doc type sorry. by saying doctype HTML, then saying HTML again. These are all these are known as the emmet abbreviations. This is okay. So this is an emmet abbreviation. Yeah, it's an emmet. So once you just click it, you have your particular. It's just like a short key, it's a shorthand for displaying things like this. We have a lot of shorthands in HTML. There are so many of them. So we've taken this once before. So this is how to create your HTML folder using VS Code. You can also create more folders like your CSS folder. So to just create your CSS folder, you just need to just write again index.css. So if you're in this channel well enough, I'm going to take you guys on how to use CSS. Yes, so this is basically how to create your CSS folder. It's as easy as this by just saying .css. And creating your JavaScript, you can just be like app or like any naming app.js. JS shorthand for JavaScript. Then when you press enter, you have something like this. So here you have your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScript. So these are one of the three fundamental coding languages you need to use to be advanced. These are the fundamentals. So if you learn these three, you are basically good to go creating an app and all of that. So basically, I was saying in the beginning of this program that the index.html is basically like the foundation or the structure, while CSS is like the painting, the styles that is given to that house or so the building, and why the JavaScript is like the functionality, giving it the function, making the elevators, the lights, making the lights work, turn on and off, and the rest of that. So that's basically all about using VS Code. But also apart from this, in the Explorer you can open editors. Yeah, there are different editors. And also this is the search where you can search for any extension. Here you can search for extensions here, and also here too you can search your extension in marketplaces, and here you can run and debug automatically and by launching a JSON file. So stock it. Yeah, so here this is a source control which is going to tell you to download Git first before you be able to use. And yeah, your profile, this is your account. So and then settings. In this settings you can modify, you can do a lot of modifications for your browser and all. So yeah, in your files, this is where you create your app in your folder. This is your HTML folder. So basically your HTML folder, you will have your index HTML, index CSS, and app.js. So yeah, basically now you can just write your codes here. You can write your codes, simple as that. So be sure to do the assignments that was given to you the other time. It's going to be of great help to you. Yeah, for sure. So on and so forth. So this is how to use your VS codes. At least for minors, this is how to use your VS codes. So advanced use of it will come in later. It's as easy as this. So yeah, this is basically how to use your Visual Studio Code. Now thanks for watching, and basically I won't be able to cut off this part, but I'll show you guys this extra one on how to run a code on the live server. So once you've created the HTML file, let me say I just click on it and hello world, right? So once I come down here, you see something here, go live. You click on it, to run the live server. So once you click on it, you'll be asked if you have Chrome and Microsoft Edge. You'll be asked to choose a default. So me having only the Microsoft Edge, it's just going to run it in the Microsoft Edge once without asking no question. It's taking longer than expected, but it is expected to run any moment from now. So once it's open in the browser, you see something like this, and yeah, white space, and finally you have a document saying hello world. So yeah, this is basically how to use a Visual Studio Code to write any information in your browser. So thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe, and also press a like if the like button if this video was very helpful to you, so that you'll be able to see the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.